Hello you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to a very late Tuesdays in the Attic. We are playing with October 2018 Freaky Fest formula that you can see there. I have this old scrap room kit from, it's a Bella Boulevard collection. I actually don't remember what it's called, but it's super cute and it's actually very fall themed, and my picture is from Memorial Day. But the colors, I love all the colors. So I'm going to start cutting. I've got that kind of pattern on pattern, subtle like tone on tone pattern of leaves, the orange that is in the 12 by 5 sheet that we need or cut. I'm cutting that green strip into the 10 by 2, and then the floral pattern is going to be my 10 by 4.5, and then I've got the red that's going to be the 4.5 by 8.5. The 4.5 by 3.5 is going to be pink, and I'm going to cut my photo down to fit on that. I've decided, like, as I'm cutting these, I'm like, yep, I'm just going to have a 3 by 4 photo. That's going to work perfect. And then I have 8 by 5, and that is the beautiful blue paper pattern. So I went with most of the semi-solids, and then to make this fall kind of collection more springy, so I did, the semi-solids and then really focused on the floral. And I'm loving the way that's turning out. So I'm going to cut my photo down really quick. It did have a lot of dead space in it, so it doesn't matter to me that I cut it down. And then I started just kind of layering all the patterns on top of each other. And I'm trying to avoid doing that for every Freaky Fest formula, because you really could. Like, you could just layer everything up and it would look great. But this really did look good. It was like perfect the way they lined up, and they just kind of frame each other. And then there's pops of the colors. And I just love the way it all came together with what colors were what, and I don't usually plan that out, so it worked out. So I'm like, I'm just gonna go with it. But I really wanted to kind of have everything heavily focused on the top and then play around with the sticker sheet on the bottom, because there's tons of fun stickers and it's a huge sticker sheet, and I am a hoarder of these, and so if I don't start using it, I probably won't ever. And I really need to start playing along with Scrap Backwards more, and like starting with those sticker sheets and building on to use them up. So remind me to do that if I'm ever like, I don't know, I'm not feeling inspired. Tell me to shut up, Jackie, and go get your sticker sheets out, because that's what I need to play with. So I really wanted to use this tree. Like I said, it's a fall collection, but this tree, since it's all these colors, to me, it doesn't scream fall, and that's what I love about this collection. It really could. Like, it has some really great fall elements, but it really could go for spring, and it's just, it's so bright and fun. I love it. So I am going to decide to create kind of a bigger title down in this white space down at the bottom. And it's going to be off to the right. And I'm going to make my title say, enjoy a season of time spent together. And that way I'm using some of the alpha stickers, some of the embellishments that are paper, and some of the stickers of the sticker sheet. So time spent together is a sticker off the sticker sheet. Enjoy a and of is going to be the alphas. And then I have this lovely ephemera piece that is season, and then I have the tree there, and it just all kind of comes together. And then I'm going to decorate with some of the other, like the doodle pops that I have. I love doodle pops too, by the way. So is this Doodlebug? No, this is Bella Boulevard, right? Yeah, it's Bella, so they're not doodle pops. What are they? I don't know what I'm talking about now, but I think this was a collection just this last fall. I don't think it's super old. I did say super old, but I don't think it is super old. But yeah, it's so pretty. So what it is too is it is just a picture of my niece and my son actually running through the cemetery. We're on our way to sit and talk on my father-in-law's bench. That is, his gravestone is a bench, so we can come sit and talk with him. And the kids love to, and we encourage it. And so they are running to get to the bench so that they can do that. My niece was staying with us because her baby sister was hopefully going to be born. So we were giving my sister and my brother-in-law a break. She was not born this day, but she was born shortly after. So yeah, they were just running, and I just love that. So yeah, I glued all those layers down, and now, yep, grabbing a sticker from the sticker sheet that says happy and putting that up in the corner. And then I have a couple, sorry, I have a tickle in my throat apparently. These sunflowers, I really wanted to use these. What are they called? My brain is disappearing, but I love them. I love these 3D embellishments that Bella Boulevard has. And Doodlebugs, there are so cute too. But I just trying to create a little cluster there next to the photo with the stickers. There's not a lot of dimension in that cluster, but that's okay. I've got my photo popped up, so that gives some dimension. Then I added some foam underneath the tails of the banner. And then I'm fussy cutting out a couple butterflies, or three butterflies to put on the page as well. And then one of the stickers is a circle that has a butterfly, and I cut that one out too at the end. One thing, and I'm just thinking of this now, one thing I love about their sticker sheets is, did you notice how the border strip sticker is actually 12 inches long? One of the few manufacturers that makes it so that when they have sticker sheets, the sticker sheet itself is actually bigger than 12 by 12. And I appreciate that so much, so that your border sticker is 12 inches long. Just saying. Good job, Bella Boulevard. You make me happy. But yeah, I had started with my picture on the right, and then I shifted over to the left because with my bigger title and that kind of element on the bottom of the page, I wanted some balance. So I like that it kind of ends up as a diagonal. I could have added something up in the very upper left corner, but I don't. And I do like how this one turns out. Everything looks a little crooked to me, but I'm starting to wonder if it's just my head and my eyes and things are actually straight. I'm not really sure. But that is me finishing that up. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Make sure you check out Jen, of course. She had hers, I believe, up on time. And we'll see you next time. Bye.